Hi, I am very excited as I wish to introduce our e-commerce platform. It is simple, straightforward and easy to follow. Let's start now. This e-commerce website has video, just play it. The offer is limited time. It only left 3 hours, plus. Let browse. It lists down the products, with the offer, price, and attractive product images. Besides, it lists down their services such as catering booking, and what clients say, as their testimonial. Filling information for contact further, and it provides Google Map to find their physical store. Click the product that you wish, and click Quick View. Click View Details. Move around and magnifying each part of the product and click different image for magnifying. Wish to share to your friend? Click Share icon to share via Facebook. To purchase, click Add to Cart. Check out now. Enter the promo code if you have. You may increase or decrease the quantity. Apply the code. Now, price is reducing, with the discounted price. There are some information that you need to fill in at payment page, especially your name and email, and shipping address too. You may create your account to ease of future purchase. Click Continue to proceed payment. Choose your payment method, by online FPX, or by credit card. Click Complete Order. Congratulations! You had done purchase. Log in to your email. To check your receipt, there is an email of your order has been accepted. As a merchant, it will notify you by email when payment received. There is also an email to indicate the ordered item of customer and their shipping address. Log in to your merchant payment gateway platform to monitor your sales. We are using Stripe. At the payment gateway page, click Payment tab to check your payment. Finally, log in to our platform, Cooweb, to view your sales. At this e-commerce page, click on the order to view your order detail of your customer. If you satisfy with the order, click Fulfill Order. If you are shipping a physical product to customer, here, you may update your courier services information by putting in the tracking number, shipping carrier, and also the tracking URL link to let your customer to track their product current location. Click this radio icon to notify customer of their shipment. Customer will receive email. They can click on the link to track their product location. Finally, back to your platform to put a note that you have shipped to customer, or any remark as you like. It is end of overall e-commerce platform, starting from product purchase until shipping end product to customer. Thank for watching. Contact us to start your e-commerce website.